In this video, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to uncover how laptops are made, from raw materials to the powerful, sleek machines we use every day. From crafting intricate processors and assembling precise displays, to testing every detail for perfection, the process of manufacturing laptops is a fascinating blend of human ingenuity and advanced technology.
It all begins in semiconductor fabrication plants, or fabs, where processors, the brains of laptops, are born. Using raw silicon derived from sand, these fabs create wafers that are sliced into thin discs and processed through an intricate photolithography technique. This method uses ultraviolet lasers to etch billions of microscopic transistors onto the wafer, forming the circuits that power a laptop's computational abilities. The level of precision required at this stage is mind-blowing, with tolerances measured in nanometers. Each wafer undergoes rigorous testing to ensure every chip meets the highest quality standards, with only the best making it to the next stage.
While processors are being made, other critical components like RAM, solid-state drives, and graphics cards are manufactured simultaneously in specialized factories. RAM modules are designed to store temporary data for multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications smoothly. SSDs, built using NAND flash memory, provide fast and reliable storage. Graphics cards, essential for gaming and video editing, are engineered to handle resource-intensive tasks and deliver stunning visuals. Each of these components undergoes its own complex production process, involving intricate design, assembly, and performance testing. For instance, SSDs rely on advanced layering techniques to maximize storage capacity while maintaining a compact form factor. Once these components are complete, they are shipped to assembly plants worldwide. The assembly process is where all the individual components come together to create a functioning laptop. Inside massive high-tech factories, equipped with conveyor belts and robotic arms, technicians and machines work in harmony to assemble each device. The process begins with the motherboard, the central hub that connects all components. The processor, RAM, and storage are carefully mounted onto the motherboard and secured using automated soldering machines. This step requires incredible precision, as even the slightest error can impact the laptop's performance. Each connection is inspected to ensure it meets stringent quality standards. Once the motherboard is prepared, it is installed into the laptop's chassis, a shell often made of aluminum or high-grade plastic. The chassis is designed not only for durability, but also for aesthetics, giving laptops their sleek and stylish look. Next comes the display assembly, one of the most delicate stages of the process. High-resolution screens, whether LCD or OLED, are attached to the chassis along with backlighting panels that ensure vibrant visuals. The hinges that allow the screen to open and close smoothly are tested extensively to withstand years of use. Each display is calibrated for color accuracy, brightness, and clarity, ensuring that every image and video displayed on the laptop is crisp and lifelike. Once the screen is in place, the focus shifts to the keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is tested for responsiveness, with premium models often featuring backlit keys for enhanced usability in low-light conditions. The trackpad is calibrated to detect the slightest touch, providing a smooth and precise user experience. Once the hardware assembly is complete, the laptops are powered on for the first time to begin software installation. Operating systems like Windows, macOS, or Linux are loaded onto the SSDs, along with essential drivers and firmware. This ensures that every component, from the processor to the trackpad, works seamlessly together. After the software installation, each laptop undergoes a series of rigorous quality control tests. These tests include stress testing the hardware to ensure it can handle demanding tasks, checking the battery for optimal performance under various conditions, and conducting drop tests to verify the laptop's durability. Some factories even simulate extreme environmental conditions, such as high altitudes and temperature extremes, to ensure laptops can function anywhere in the world. After passing these stringent tests, laptops are polished and prepared for packaging. The outer shells are cleaned to remove any smudges or imperfections, and the devices are packed with accessories like chargers and user manuals. Each laptop is carefully sealed in a branded box designed to protect it during transit. From here, the laptops are shipped through an intricate global logistics network. They travel by cargo planes, trucks, and ships to reach retail stores, online warehouses, and distribution centers. Finally, they find their way into the hands of students, professionals, gamers, and creators who rely on them every day. The process doesn't end with production and delivery. Behind every laptop is a team of designers, engineers, and technicians constantly innovating to make devices faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. Whether it's reducing energy consumption, incorporating recyclable materials, or enhancing performance, the laptop manufacturing process is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. So the next time you open your laptop to work, stream, or play, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's been through. From raw silicon to a high-performance machine that empowers your daily life. This is the remarkable story of how laptops are made, an engineering marvel that connects people and ideas across the globe.